Hello, this is the Galaxy's Creeper, and welcome back to another episode of my Minecraft Survival Let's Play on the PS3. And we're being attacked. Epic free. Oh really? Oh really? Oh really? Oh, you shot Skelly. You got shot by Skelly. Shabam! Let's assassinate you, like Assassin's Creed. Ha! Take that from all my dogs. Go dogs, attack, attack. I need to go sleepy. Before we go and add someone, let's just quickly save the game. Here we go. Oops, let's go in my house and see in my house. Excuse me. We are adding today. Oh, dang, I'm actually pretty hungry as well. As you can see, we've got a new sign. And who's it going to be? It is Maisie B. If you don't know who Maisie B is, I'll leave her channel in the description as well as down the box is. So I didn't get to add them in the description yesterday. But she's my loyal sister. She's made a brand new channel called Penguin Plays. I haven't seen her channel yet, but she's told me all about it and all of that. I think I might be doing some challenges that she might set me. As well as with Dynamite Roblox, we might do a chase to battle in Hunger Games and we're going to defeat him. So yeah. Hopefully have a good stay. There's one thing I want to do in this video, and that is to go and explore the Nation biome. What's that? Oh dang, I'm dying of hunger. What do you want in flesh? Let me get back to the house. Let's get some carrots. I wish you can cook carrots. I think Mojang should add that. You can now cook carrots in the new CPU 16 update. Right, eat these. God. Right. The only purpose of the video is to go and fly over the Nation biome. So this is the Nation biome. I don't see those keys. Here. Oh my god, I don't know. Oops. Basically, this is the Nation biome, basically. So that's basically it. So I'll see you in my next video. That'll be out on my Terraria series.